When planning a kitchen remodel in Boston, being well-informed is crucial. From selecting the right remodeler to understanding the process, this guide covers everything you need to know. Avoid common pitfalls and get answers to frequently asked questions to ensure your kitchen renovation goes smoothly. First, let's talk about common mistakes to avoid when hiring kitchen remodelers. One major mistake is not checking for proper licensing and insurance. Always ask for proof before hiring. Another common error is not setting a realistic budget. Get multiple quotes and be clear about your budget from the start. Additionally, not researching the remodeler's reputation can lead to problems. Read reviews, ask for references, and check their portfolio. Ensure you get a detailed contract that includes all project details, timeline, materials, and payment schedule. Lastly, effective communication is key. Keep an open line of communication and address concerns promptly. Now, let's address some of the most asked questions about Boston kitchen remodelers. 1. How long does a kitchen remodel typically take? The timeline can vary depending on the scope of the project. On average, it usually takes 4 to 6 weeks. 2. Do I need to move out of my home during the remodel? It depends on the extent of the remodel. Most homeowners can stay in their homes during the process. 3. Will I need permits for my kitchen remodel? Yes, most kitchen remodels require permits. Your contractor should handle the permitting process. 4. Can I change the design once the project has started? Finalizing the design before the project begins is best to avoid delays and additional costs. 5. How much does a kitchen remodel cost? The cost can vary widely depending on materials, size, and complexity. It's best to get a personalized quote from a contractor. 6. Do I need to hire a designer for my kitchen remodel? While it's not required, hiring a designer can help ensure your vision is realized and the project runs smoothly. 7. What is the best layout for a small kitchen? A galley or L-shaped layout is often best for small kitchens as it maximizes space and efficiency. 8. How do I choose the right countertop material? Consider durability, maintenance, and style when choosing a countertop material. 9. Can I save money by DIYing parts of the remodel? While DIYing can save money, it's best to leave complex tasks to professionals to ensure quality and safety. 10. How do I prepare for a kitchen remodel? Clear out the kitchen, create a temporary space, and communicate with your remodeler. Start your renovation journey today.